hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there and my people giving thanks to life as usual. You understand? So right about me there, my people, and I said I look dirty sitting there when him flow. Try to pitch up himself for me. You understand? For no reason, some reason, try to pitch up itself for my people. But I have the conqueror for it. You miss a sitting there flow. But there's something I want to talk about now, my people. On a real level. It's been a while me not driving on my car, you know. And show all, you know, face and then something there. But really and truly, me have to do it to them, my people. Honestly. Because there's a video that sent to me now, my people. Out of Jamaica, see? Yeah, man. And you see that video now, people. Boy, me I tell you, say, I want the worst thing I see, you know. No joke about it. I want the worst thing. With a song I play night, dancehall song from a dancehall artist, see? Which, the best with the artist, because this has nothing to do with the artist. This have to do something now, people. With a little boy night, like him still wear nappy, or him in a nappy or something, with a white sitting like nappy. Baby boy, picking it. See? One girl did it now. In a look jazz. See? Look like a big size, because when you look on the backside, you see look all spot them on it, like a race upon it. You know, see a girl that got through it, and you understand, you can see look spot them on her backside, they like raisin. Yeah, see she got through it, she been through it. Yeah. See? And our next little girl who had this student on the bedside now, she about 12 years old. This little boy now, people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows though. So song I play. Little boy. We didn't look up Teely now. Teely a pump tree looking up beside there now. Teely out the door. And the woman now, she they in the bed kneel down. You know, when they in the bed for do that. Bakas something there, yeah, position something there, yeah. So basically now she a shake it up. Shake what them you understand, she a shake your people. And the look of something now, the Bakai with the look of Teely out the door. So him a put it on. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. People, me say when me say the video, I cannot believe. And me say, no, what wrong with we people at Jamaica? See, number one, you with the razor bottom. Eh? With the razor bottom. Let me tell you something. You may not be a big old man, you know. But you're not a little picking like the other one that stood over the side of the bedside. See? I have to tell you the truth. Police need to find him. See? If you're a little boy, or if your niece or whatever you be or something, you are auntie or whatever it be, whatever relation, police need to find him. Because from me see it, the boy know how to put on action, people. Because the boy is stabbed. Me said the little boy, him not pass 3. It not pass 3 year old, him not pass 3 people. See? He don't pass 3. And him a put it, you want to see him round there too. Yeah, wait, that way, yeah? If it tap now, if it tap now, that way, yeah? And my beauty, you know, like all rabbit. Jaja see, Jaja was attacking boss. Eh? And people, the girl in the bed now, you know, she tell him, no done it. She enjoy it so much. Eh? What the world going to know? If I saw, who not go treat Pitney and I deal with them. Honestly. A prison work them, yeah. Zin, a prison work. If you want to teach your little boy something, we are telling him grow up little more. But not that the way there. You teach him, so look here. When you get older in life, the right way is to find she, not a he. Zin? But you have the little youth now, a perform. So when push come to shovel now, and then get little older, and start ride him up. Eh? And he hold it and take you. Where I go saying the RAP you? You want that box in your face too. You want that box in your face too. And that you go cry saying to you. But you now remember say you see him and did have him round there. With him look sitting and knock 2 sides. Eh? And don't remember say with him look raise sitting where you got round there. You know you look panky sitting. Eh? what you are do to him. My people, some crazy people out there nowadays. And then make because of social media, phone, everything make them get full. Eh? Because they may not sit the one of your do. See? They may not sit the one of your phone and record. And I said they go give he, she, I don't want to share it too. Eh? How you feeling yourself? You look for yourself and hear me attack. Come here attack you in a razor body. Me say razor. Me attack your razor body. Will you look at pat them funny? What kind of something that you are going with? If you feel like you want something, because people told you do it and a first they look at who you do it. And a first him do it. See? Me say film sitting the outer door, you know. Film sitting the outer door, people. In the right outer door. You look at Telia walk 3 sides, so shake it to the left, shake it to the right, and he round there working like bunny rabbit. Jaja see, Jaja knows. But all me can say, whether you are mum or you are sis or what you want to be, the authorities need to find you. Because that was totally wrong. Out of line. People watch it and take it for fun, you know. We can't take them and sit there for joke and laugh about it. Me have to serious when I see them thing that me have to talk about it, my people. See it? Because them thing that totally wrong. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And I will never support no woman. Nobody will take part in that. I attack phone. No. Attack phone and I say, child care agency. You understand? The police, everybody need to find you. You get me? I say the authorities need to find you. Totally wrong. That's not fun. You get me? That's not fun, my people. See? We don't look at sitting around our back there. Eh? That's why when I see someone look up picnic and do some sitting at certain age people. You understand? Honestly, you know, they're wrong people, but you know how to blame. You know how I start it. Eh? You know how the real part of it. Actually, you not even know. But I one thing I can tell them, my viewers and subscribers, a straight attack for them. You understand? Straight attack. Yeah, man, straight attack. Okay, you don't know anything of my people. You see it? Yeah, man, straight attack. So, my people, be up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. You don't know. But they are give thanks to life. You see it? On a daily basis, and you don't know. Be safe out there, my people, as I tell you. The body there, with that look at something there come for me. I know corona still. So I look at you now. Cough the other day. Tell him, say, yo, watch it with the coughing. I'm still not here, now cover about nano mask. Charge a seat there. Attacking basket. A virus. But the body firm and strong. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Attack for them people. No joke about it. Peace out. Big up.